Expect only one OLED iPhone launching in 2018, with LCD being the standard for the rest. Photographs of a Chrome OS tablet with an Acer logo and unknown specs emerge, and Samsung just came out with the weirdest phone unlock system ever. I'm Terry Crews, and the Old Spice Power... Diego, stop playing with the script. I'm Jaime Rivera, this is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begins with deals. If you're in the market for an iPad Pro, this is probably the best time to buy, as Amazon currently has refurbished iPad Pros for as little as, well, as much as 30% off. Bear in mind, these are the most expensive iPads you can buy. I'm talking about the latest generation, and it seems that the warranty is still there, so I would definitely consider. There are details in the description. And we've been covering rumors of the Galaxy S9 pretty much all month, so I'm just gonna tell you that specifications have been pretty much confirmed. Everything we've heard, 845, 6 gigs on the Plus, regular 4 gigs on the regular. But most important, we've got these renders that show us the phone from the front this time, and I don't know if you noticed, but the bezels seem asymmetrical. It seems that the top bezels are taller than the bottom bezels, pretty much as we see with the Galaxy S8 Active. So yeah, Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, you can learn more in the description as well. Now, let's talk about a Chrome OS tablet, and this is really interesting. We know of Chromebooks, but a Chrome OS tablet we haven't, and there's this trade show going on where Acer pretty much showed off this tablet running Chrome OS. There are no specifications, no details, it's just the tablet, so it seems Chrome OS is going to take a hop into other form factors. Now, let's talk about this very interesting Samsung patent for another way to unlock your phone. We've seen fingerprints, we've seen face, we've seen retina, we've seen everything but blood flow patterns. There's a patent that's already been filed by the company that shows that they figured out a way to do this as well. And are there any doctors in the comments that could explain how that could be verified? Like, seriously, how can a phone measure your blood flow pattern? Leave us a comment if you know how. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the next generation iPhones. In 2018, we heard that the iPhone X is going to die and there are going to be 3 new models. Now, for those of you that were expecting that these were going to be a regular and a Plus with OLEDs, apparently that's not going to be the case. It seems that there will be only one OLED iPhone and then the 2 others will bring an LCD. And we've heard that the LCD models are going to be the less expensive ones, but obviously, it also seems that we're not going to be getting a Plus iPhone X whatever, or we're not really sure. It leads me to the question today. I mean, how much of a deal breaker, now that some of you have already tried the OLED iPhone, how much of a deal breaker would it be for you to go back? Because in my case, I actually fired up the iPhone 8 Plus before making this video. And, you know, because of the way Apple implements OLED, it's really hard to tell a difference. So for me, it wouldn't be. But leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the iPhone X down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.